Hey YouTube, Doug Wallman. I'm here on a snowy Saturday after a partial day of work, and I have some projects in mind that perhaps I'll share some key moments of that with you today in this video. I have a console table I bought off of Amazon, and I'd like to use it on some of my sets on YouTube. ASMR perhaps, that would be a good set to use it on, but just an alternative set, like an alternative place to video from, I guess is a way I would describe it. And let's get prepared for that and get all set up. All right, I'm going to do a quick unboxing. Instructions, all this stuff. Yay. There's a lot here to figure out. And don't worry, I'm not going to figure it out on camera. It'll be maybe a time lapse. So this is my console table. Once again, I ordered off of Amazon. So let's get this all figured out. But for the most part, yeah, it's just going to be a time lapse. Sorry you can't hang out with me exactly, as would be kind of nice in a way, but I would have to ramble on quite a bit. It'd be a very long video. And I probably will fumble around somewhat. So yeah, let's not do that. Well, for the most part, it's built. Sorry, some of that time frame may have been out of the frame a little bit. Didn't see what I was doing probably, but all I have left to do, I think, is turn this upside down or right side up and move stuff around a little bit. I think I'm going to put my plants on top of there. It should be a pretty nice addition. I'll have to move stuff around. Yeah, we're just fast forwarding ahead. Nothing here to see. I think this is where I did goof up though, but I fixed it rather quickly. All right. And those plants, we'll see, but I think they'll get enough sunlight from the patio window over there. Actually, I may have made a mistake, but we'll fix it. Yeah, because that doesn't work. We'll fix it in a time lapse. Well, I'm not sure what may have happened to the time lapse on that one, but I did fix it. Turn it back right side up. We can manage that. All right. Light ambience going on. Got styrofoam left over. Okay, where's my other plant? Right here. That one's still recovering from, well, being cut off another Christmas cactus. It was a cutling. It was in water, and now it's in potting mix. So it's got a little recovery time, I think. There we go. Now it's come to view. Okay. Doesn't really want to fit in there very nice though. I don't think that's my fault. This one fits in nicer than this one. If we could just switch them around, that would somehow give it a better chance. Kind of did. Okay, well, there you have it. I think I could even put one of my preamps down there. I'm not sure it's meant for that kind of way. Plus, I don't think I want to water my plants and have my preamp down there, but we'll see about that. Might be kind of cool. For now, we'll probably leave it like that. Figure out what I want to put there. But that's the basic idea. Kind of cool. Alright, well, there's my console stand. Be a new place for me to shoot some video. See what you think of that. Maybe you'll see it in one of my next shoots or something. I'll try to include the link to this item in my description box. If I get an affiliate link or something, I'll pop it in there as well. I'm not sure how soon that can come to me. I think I need more subscribers yet. But that's growing too. Oh, God. Wow. I did think of one thing I could put on here, the printer. I was thinking of this before. All right. So I've set things up. It's actually the next day. This is kind of my alternative setup, I guess, or it may actually be primary, depending on how well it goes over, how much I like it. I do like it. It's a lot more simple, less cluttered. I did look for my Expo disc to get the white balance, but unfortunately I cannot find that thing. Yeah, I've had about enough of that hair coming out of the top corner of my glasses. This is getting to be a train wreck, so I think I'm going to interject next. I'll fix the video the best I know how. All right, I'm going to interject and decide, after seeing my video on YouTube, the long form version of this, I decided we've got to cut some parts out, like a lot. And just to tell you, this is what it can look like. And yes, I kind of jumped ahead and I got some different lighting, but that'll be another video, probably the next video, to showcase that. But yeah, that's it. This is just a quick end then, I guess. This is what it looks like. Yay. I've got my console table. That's it. I hope you enjoyed watching. Yeah, I tried to save the video the best I could. But yeah, that's what I did during the weekend is, well, not so much setting this up, but trying to get a video of me setting it up. And it was kind of a disaster. So I took it down. And so I'm putting this up to salvage it. Hope you enjoyed. God bless. Thank you for watching. All right, guys. So this is what it looks like on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Sorry, I wasn't done yet. Of course not. Just to give you a little reference for what my new setup looks like. Hopefully it has some nice aesthetics to it. It could be a little brighter if I wanted it to be. Of course, the iPhone's probably compensating for that because I didn't lock exposure or anything. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. What do you think of that? So the next clip's going to be me this morning starting my car in sub-freezing temperatures on my Would have been on my way to work shortly after that. Of course, I went back inside and got something to eat, so I was just warming my car up just to show how cold it really was. And this video is kind of about that. What do you do during a weekend when it's sub-freezing temperatures? Well, I kind of set all this up, so yay. I'm glad I had the opportunity to do that and share it with you. With that, God bless. Remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification button. All right, peace out. All right, guys, it's 14 below out. It's Monday morning. I got to get ready to go to work. I have plenty of time. I'm going to see if my car starts. You can see negative 14 below feels like negative 34. So I didn't bring any special lighting in here. So it's just, it is what it is. But yeah. So the long form of that video is not really acceptable. I'm going to probably take it down and try to save it with what you'll see now, and that probably still is lacking, but we'll make it work. We'll shorten it up and make it a little sweeter. Alright, well, I'm gonna go back inside, give myself something to eat, and get ready for another work week. Right now I'm just getting ready for the day though. Let's not think about the whole week. Let's let this car warm up. Alright.